Neuralink and brain-computer interfaces, merging minds with machines. Brain-computer interfaces, BCIs. BCIs are advanced technological systems that establish a direct communication link between the human brain and external devices or computer systems. BCIs enable bidirectional informational flow, allowing the brain to send commands to the devices and receive feedback from them. These interfaces typically involve the use of sensors or electrodes placed on or within the brain to record neural activity. The recorded signals are then processed and translated into commands that can be used to control external devices such as computers, prosthetic limbs, or communication devices. BCIs hold significant potential for medical applications, assistive technologies, and cognitive enhancements, offering a bridge between the human brain and the digital world. Brain computer interfaces have been a subject of research for several decades. So, we are going to the main topic Neuralink. Neuralink, the brainchild of Elon Musk, has been making waves in the technology and scientific communities. With claims of merging humans with artificial intelligence, it's no wonder that there is so much hype surrounding this innovative venture. But amidst all the excitement and media coverage, it is essential to dive deeper into the science behind Neuralink and its potential impact on our society. What is Neuralink? Neuralink Corporation, founded in 2016 by Elon Musk, is a cutting edge company at the forefront of BCI technology. Neuralink's journey began with Musk's fascination with the human brain and his desire to find ways to enhance its capabilities. Headquartered in San Francisco, Neuralink is dedicated to developing advanced neurotechnology with the goal of establishing a direct communication link between the human brain and external devices. Neuralink's technology revolves around the use of ultra-thin, flexible threads implanted directly into the brain. The concept is to enable bidirectional communication between the brain and external devices, allowing for the transmission of information from the brain to computers and vice versa. Why Neuralink? It aims to help people with the paralysis communicate by allowing them to remotely control devices using brain activity and restoring motor and sensory function and the treatment of neurological disorders, advancing human cognition. And finally, it is a part of Musk's vision to ensure humans remain competitive with artificial intelligence. Imagine a world where individuals with paralysis can regain their mobility through neural implants, or where people suffering from neurodegenerative diseases can slow down the progression of their conditions. Musk's vision extends beyond medical applications, though. He envisions a future where humans can seamlessly interact with the technology, eliminating the need for cumbersome devices and interfaces. With Neuralink, Musk aims to bridge the gap between humans and machines, creating a symbiotic relationship that revolutionizes the way we live, work, and communicate. How Neuralink works. The implant itself is called the link. The props, composed mostly of polyamide, with a thin gold or platinum conductor are inserted into the brain through an automated process performed by a surgical robot. Each probe consists of an area of wires that contains electrodes capable of locating electrical signals in the brain, and a sensory area where the wire interacts with an electronic system that allows amplification and acquisition of the brain signal. The electrical chemical signals in our nervous system spark as neurons communicate with one another across gaps between nerve cells known as synapses. This brain activity is captured by electrodes or sensors that detect voltages, measuring the change in spikes of when these voltages fire. In other words, our brain activity data is captured not only when we take action, but also if we think about taking action. As these devices record complex data sets, machine learning algorithms and other artificial intelligence agents are then employed to make sense of the information. So, this is the basic structure of the Neuralink, the implant. With the present technology, Neuralink's electrodes are still too big to record the firing of individual neurons, so they can record only the firing of a group of electrons. group of neurons. Neuralink representatives believe this issue might get mitigated algorithmically, but it is computationally expensive and does not produce exact results. The company has faced criticism for a large amount of euthanization of primates that underwent medical trials. Veterinary records of the monkeys showed a number of complications with electrodes being surgically implanted. But on January 29, 2024, Musk said that Neuralink had successfully implanted a Neuralink device in a human and that patient was recovering. Also, on February 20, they said that the first human trial participant was able to control a computer mouse through thought, but offered few details and no evidence. The first image is the surgical robot capable of rapidly inserting many flexible props into the brain, and the next image is the structure of the implant. And it consists of biocompatible enclosure, battery, chips and electrons, and finally threads. The application-specific integrated circuit system consists of 256 amplifiers capable of being individually programmed, analog to digital converters within the chip, and peripheral circuit control to serialize the digitized information obtained. It aims to convert information obtained from neurons into an understandable binary code in order to achieve a greater understanding of brain function and the ability to stimulate these neurons. However, Musk's vision is not without its skeptics. Some argue that merging the human brain with technology raises ethical concerns and potential risks. Questions about privacy, security, and the long term effects of brain computer interfaces have been raised, prompting a broader discussion about the implications of such advancements. As with any groundbreaking technology, there are both enthusiastic proponents and cautious critics, each offering their perspectives on the future of Neuralink. As we embrace this new era, it is crucial to remain grounded in scientific rigor and societal responsibility, ensuring that Neuralink's trajectory goes beyond the hype and into a future where scientific breakthroughs benefits all humanity. So, thank you for your attention and curiosity as we delved into the remarkable advancement of Neuralink and the vast potential it holds for shaping the future of human machine interfaces. Thank you.